Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will introduce the PIERRE Gateway and show how to use it to connect wave devices to your network. The PIERRE Gateway allows us to integrate wireless devices such as temperature and humidity sensors or electrical outlets into the system. We start by powering the gateway. The device is powered through a USB-C connection. As soon as we connect power, the gateway lights up white. This indicates that it is in pairing mode and ready to be added to the system. Next, we connect the gateway to the network. We can use either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. In this example, we choose Ethernet, so we simply connect the network cable. Now we add the gateway to the system. We open the user application. Go to Menu, Settings, then Bridges. Here we choose Scan, then Find Devices. After a few moments, the application detects the gateway. We choose Add Found Device, and the gateway starts blinking to confirm that it is the correct device. We give the gateway a name and select the connection type. Since we are using Ethernet, we leave the default setting. Then we choose Save and Continue, followed by Finish. As we can see, the Academy Bridge appears in the system. After a short while, it automatically downloads the latest update and the status indicator turns green. This means the gateway is online and ready. Now we can add our first wave device. We go to Menu, Settings, and choose Add Wave I/O. Then Find Devices. We select a wave device and press and hold its pairing button. When the signal level icon starts blinking, the device is in pairing mode. After a few seconds, the application detects a temperature and humidity sensor. We choose Add Found Device. We name the device Temperature and Humidity. Then choose Save and Continue, followed by Finish. Finally, we return to the dashboard. As soon as the sensor reports a new temperature value, it appears instantly. The device is now fully connected, working reliably, and ready to use. And that's it. See you in the next video.